Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sharpen your video using HDR effect on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot application, and first of all, I'm going to open a project I have just created in InShot. This is my project and I'm going to open it, and I'm going to sharpen this video using the HDR effect. We can go to the effect menu and go to the effect again, and you can scroll all the way to the right around here to find stylize category. This one guys, tap on stylize, and here you will be able to choose HDR effect to sharpen your video. Okay, and then you can increase the value to make it more HDR, and then click on this check mark, and you can make the HDR effect align with your video. Okay, then you can click on this check mark, and this is the result. And I'm going to show you the before and after guys. This is before I apply HDR, and this is after I apply HDR. Alright guys, then that's all the way to sharpen our video using HDR effect in InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.